Kegiatan ini terselenggara kerjasama antara Badan Standardisasi Nasional dengan ISO untuk meningkatkan pemahaman dan kemampuan dari negara-negara di Asia Developing Countries memahami terkait dengan asesmen IT tool di masing-masing.
Welcome to Jakarta for regional workshop on ISO Digital Capability Maturity Assessment for Strategic Development.
Very glad to be part of this DMAS and DQMS workshop.
The experience is really good. We enjoy a lot. The lesson is really interactive and practicable.
Program here is very nice, and I learn a lot from the program because it's a good framework.
Workshop is very interesting.
Thank you, ISO and BSN.